That's me, 52 years old, overweight, but no worries. I have a plan. I signed up for a month of CrossFit. I told the coach I didn't want to know in advance what we were going to do, but then she said we're going to do deadlifts. I said, cool, I love deadlifts. Then we went on running. Running, not a problem. I do it every day. We then moved on to modified pull-ups because I'm a little bit older, did some push-ups, no problem there. Bodyweight squats, no problem. But then the hour was done and I was not very happy with what I saw on the chalkboard. At the end of the hour, I did about only 30% of what was planned, and that didn't sit well with me. So I went out for a shower, had a salad, and went to my other gym to complete the task at hand. I could tell you a story about the moral of not finishing what you started or who's gonna carry the boats, but in reality, I just ran out of time and I wanted to finish it, so I did.